Hello guys, it's your boy Riri. Welcome back to the TikTok page and YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to show you yung haul ko from Toy Kingdom Toy Warehouse Sale sa Mega Trade Building B sa Mega Mall or SM Mega Mall. Ito yung haul ko nung November 6. So yung event is from November 6 to 9. Kung makakapunta kayo, punta kayo kasi sobrang daming sulit deals talaga. So unang-una sa pinili ko is this Funko Pop Aquaman. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda kasi matagal ko nang gustong bilhin tong Aquaman na to. Ayan siya. And then I got this for 200 pesos. So a good deal for me. Ayan. Then next is itong Captain Cold na McFarlane. So, ayan. Ito yung DC Direct na may comics na kasama. I got this for 600 pesos. Ang nakakatawa kasi, yung story behind this one is 900 siya binibenta yung mga good box. Ito kasi may, tulad niya, sira yung taas, may mga dings lang. Pero overall, good naman yung figure niya itself, no? Ayan. So, kaya kinuha ko siya, tapos nakakita ko 600. So, syempre, mas pipiling ko yung mas cheaper. Kasi tayo, as a collector, mas nakakatipid, mas maganda kasi marami tayong gusto eh. Kaya, yun. And then, next is, itong The Thing. My first ever NECA figure, or original NECA figure. Ang ganda niya lang ipang display, and then maganda siya kasi ang dami niya accessories, to head sculpt, may hat, and then may gun, and then yun, ang ganda ng figure. And I only got this for 800 pesos. And then the biggest one yet na nakuha ko, which is ito yung reason why gusto ko talagang pumunta, is this one. This Avatar Banshee. It's Nightiri's Banshee. Good box overall. I got this for 1,100 pesos. Yan. So ito yung haul ko from Toy Kingdom Toy Warehouse Sale. Yan. Napakaganda. So kung ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, punta na kayo. Hanggang bukas na lang siya. With that, thank you guys for watching.